consistently trading this market. You will remember that in January last year, we were able to identify this 50% short here. There were a lot of people who were looking for this market at 120, but that sorry, 130, but that never happened. This market went into the first and second target and continuing a sequence of measured move until it actually met the 50% long here that you can see. This is traced from the lows in 2011 to the highs in 2015, and then we saw that strength in the dollar index, and we're going to talk about the dollar index later on as well. Particularly, I want to look at what could be the potential impacts on the euro dollar. But as the dollar index has accelerated higher, obviously we have seen the US dollar Japanese yen moving higher. And now today, this market, actually in the last, this week, this market came to test the 130.10, which is one of the areas we are looking for. Now, if this area holds, and mind that there is also dump money here, holding this price, weekly dump money, there is the potential for this market to keep moving into 120, 123, and believe it or not, retesting previous highs at 125.45. Okay, so this is an extension long. There's no reason to believe that this could not happen. In fact, I believe I'm already positioned for this move here, whether it's going to be from these levels or lower levels here. The low at the moment, I do not anticipate it to be retested, but that could happen. Of course, anything can happen. If this market continues in the coming weeks and the dollar index resumes to move higher, then we're going to see 121 maybe in a few weeks, and possibly even 125. Look at how strongly this market has moved in 6 weeks. By the end of February, this market could actually reach its target there. Okay, so this is the review for this market, and I want to also to notice that when we look at this market, obviously there was this discounted trend move. And I want to show exactly the same concept that I showed you before on the charts here, this counter trend DE. So when we look at the chart here, the counter trend DE is exactly this one. And the way we model it is that we model it as a 50% retrace. It gets into the first target here, and then you can see that at this first target there is a reaction right away. The market also moves lower, and then it comes and retraces again into another 50%, which brings price into that first target. And then, as you can see here, today we got the confirmation that the smart money on the long side, it's stronger than the dump money on the short side, because what happened is that this market, the push that we have seen today was strong enough to break this sequence here of moves, and now there is very high probability that this market is going to continue higher. It doesn't mean that it might not correct, and in fact this market could come back and trade the 50% here, the 114 area, and if that happens, that would be an opportunity to add to this trade. Okay, so